Here is the target board buy on the internet, which is a RX62N processor with some peripheral, and you can see here there is the connection as the G-Link technology Seeger. As you can see here, this is the special plugin, probe. This is the probe connected to the by the USB cable to my PC, and here. So from my PC I can have the connection to the board to debug using the debugger. And there is a LCD screen, and there is a processor. So now I want to show you how to make the I've made the little application which flash LEDs and display some data on the screen. So and some of the files are instrumented to get coverage and runtime tracing for this target. So I did not instrument all the files because my compiler is limited in size. So now it wants to execute. So I can show you the target is flashing multiple times, and so when it's finished, I have the sequence diagram. When we can see the flashing and so on, and what happened on the execution. And so I can see as well the coverage report, because I have instrumented for coverage. So I can see the LCD code. Some of parts are green and some of parts are red, to show what has been executed and not. And so I have also made a special unit testing. The unit testing is just to check the add functionality. So just add two integers, and the PTU file which execute those function add with some parameters, and 3 times we will execute 3 times the function with different vectors, test vectors. And so I can build as well. And so I have added some other file to make more beautiful execution on the target. And so this PTU executes 3 times the code under test with 0 and 1. So we have to add, and the sum will be checked as 1. And 3 minus 1, the sum will be equal to 2, and minus 2 and 5, the result will be 3. And the add function will flash the LED as many times the result is. So we can see on the target that the LCD displays something, and the LED flash 3 times, 1 times, 3 times, 2 times, and 3 times. And so the execution is finished. And so we can see as well the sequence diagram, where we can see what happened during the execution. So the first test execute the component under test. We execute the add function that called the flash number of times. So one flash is toggle 1 and toggle 2 and wait. And so the second test make 2 times, and the third test make 3 times the flashing. So, and we display something on the display LCD as well again.